Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we're back for another week of weather analysis for the Philippine Islands and nearby areas for this Monday through Wednesday, August 23, 25, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday. Tropical storm Umais with local name Isang has already left the Philippine area of responsibility. Sunday afternoon, it slowed down quite a bit before exiting the PAR, and right now it has been downgraded into a tropical depression as it moves faster towards the north in the general direction of the Korean Peninsula, and it is expected to be absorbed by a stationary or major front over here, over the eastern China and Korean Peninsula. So the remaining extension of the trough will continue to bring cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across the Batanes and Babuyan Islands and some areas of extreme northern Luzon, and expect some thunderstorm activity to prevail mostly in the afternoon or evening. Elsewhere across the Philippine Islands, we'll have fair weather except for some patches of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. We have a slight enhancement of a weak Habagat, but this is a southwesterly surface wind flow, not yet a full-blown Habagat, but it's bringing some rainfall across the Kalayaan Island Group and some portions of Palawan. But in the next couple of days, this monsoonal system will start to retreat back to the west in the areas of Vietnam. So again, the winds over the Pacific Ocean and the Philippine Sea will again enhance. So the return of the easterlies will be prominent by Wednesday through the weekend. So that will be the common feature of the Western Pacific, including the Philippine Sea and the Philippine Islands within the next 5 days. So watch out for some lightning strikes and flash floods just in case you experience some severe thunderstorms over your respective areas. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure area that could pose a new threat to the country. We have here a surface trough in the vicinity of central Micronesia, but nothing to worry about. And so far, that's the latest from our GovSat. Here's the fast animation to clearly see here the movement of the trough from tropical depression Umais. So it will bring some thunderstorms over the Batanes and Babuyan Islands and some portions of extreme northern Luzon. Here's the southwesterly surface wind flow. As you can see, the upper level cloudiness has begun to retreat back to the west, with some increasing easterly surface wind flow over the Micronesian islands. And so far, that's the fast animation. Here's the zoom in satellite animation between 10 a.m. up to 4 p.m. As you can see here, the cloudiness of the southwesterly surface wind flow can be observed here over the West Philippine Sea, affecting Kalayaan Island Group and some portions of Palawan, and some local thunderstorms can be observed developing across Visayas as the afternoon progresses, and also across the mountainous areas of the Cordillera Autonomous Region, Ilocos Region, and the western sections of Central Luzon, including Metro Manila and isolated areas of the Bicol region, and also here over the northern and eastern portions of Mindanao. And here's the rainfall accumulation forecast from the European model for the next 3 days until Wednesday. Most parts of the country will be experiencing isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening, so watch out for that. Don't forget to bring your rain gear. And before we leave you, here's the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, and this is valid until Wednesday. As you can see, you have here a slight flow of the southwesterly surface winds, and if we move on Tuesday, it will start to weaken until Wednesday, while here in the Philippine Islands, it will be variable winds all across the islands. But on Wednesday, the easterlies will resume over the extreme northern parts of Luzon, eastern portions of Luzon, including the eastern coastal areas of the Bicol region. So far, that's the latest on the wind forecast until Wednesday. So there you go. That's the latest from Typhoon 2000. And this is Mike Padua reporting. See you again on Wednesday, and we will give you more updates on the weather. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and have a nice day.